etching temperature with aluminum oxide here. So for all the thermal modeling, we have always assumed aluminum nitride. At least in the modeling that I have done. I don't know if you have done anything for aluminum oxide, but yeah, the etching that at least I have modeled has always been aluminum nitride. So, yeah.
So we should take that up, right? We should understand that.
Sure.
Yeah, so that's why we try to develop a model and try to understand that. But okay, so this is the first part of my presentation. Next part is the solution.
Lắc không?
So this is was showing the edge purge effect. If we are running 2 liter, 3 liter, and 10 liter, and you can definitely see the definition on the edge, the difference. There's a huge difference there. And I mean, we are even in the previous we have doing the simulation with the 3 liter, 8 liter, and 10 liter. So I know the process team is running 3 liter right now, but could we increase the edge purge to reduce the deposition on edge? Okay, so I think this is
how is that peak? That is based on the concentration, or that is because you created a model to match our thickness?
No, we are trying that before we don't have chemical reaction. Right now we apply simple chemical reaction there, and we are assuming the site density, the available chemical site is different on the edge than the wafer. So that's why I think we have discussed this before. Once there is a deposition here, there will be more crack void to trap water there or trap other chemical species, and the deposition rate on here will be different from the wafer.
And then deposition rate for the whole edge ring you assumed same, right?
Yeah, same. Yeah, same.
And then still it is peaking up at whatever location.
151. Yeah, 151.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the
Xiaowei, sorry. So you have so what was the pumping inlet location in that model?
It's 302. It's always 302.
Is that 302? Okay.
Yeah, 302. Yeah. So I will talk about the other simulation we done before and try to have a discussion what's the best
and why do you think it's peaking at exactly 302 here on the edge ring?
You mean here?
Yeah. So this is 302,
because,
right?
It's because where the pumping located at. It's this is a stagnation point.
Okay. So basically, you think it will move if I move pumping out, right?
No, not necessarily. Let me show you.
Yeah. So that okay.
Okay. So this is the brainstorm. We have discussed internally with development. So we saw this definition on edge ring. So it's around the maximum is around 301 and 302 here. So basically, you can see this number. And we are thinking there is maybe temperature effect. The edge ring may be 20 degrees C or even larger or lower for different process at the edge ring. And also there's the effect from the wafer center to the edge.
Đấy, hai ông cháu đi học về đấy nha. Hai ông cháu đi học. Em đi học đấy. Nè. Đi học vui không con? Cô gì nhỉ? Cô Victoria.
Nãy là cười tươi nhưng mà lúc sau mẹ lùi ra, mẹ tưởng mẹ về. Ra khóc.
À. Bye.
Mẹ lùi ra để mẹ của bạn khác đến đón bạn ấy trước nhỉ. Bạn ấy tên gì nhỉ? Mẹ không biết bạn ấy tên gì, Ellie biết không? Bạn gì mà về trước con này?
Con biết tên bạn không?
Đấy, chào hôn gió nhiệt tình, không biết tên bạn à?
Con biết tên bạn nhỉ?
Không biết tên bạn à? Hôm nào con hỏi nhá. Đến lớp con không nói câu nào hả con? Hả? Cô bảo con chưa biết nói à? Ellie nói rất nhiều nhỉ? Con ngại thôi. Con chưa trổ tài tiếng Việt thôi.
Vì không thấy ai nói tiếng Việt thì nó chả nói nhỉ. Oh, so you just take the surface and then the volume of the molecules, and then you assume. Mhm. Yeah. But then in that case, I really need to know if I pause in 0.1 second or 0.5 second, how many molecule I get, which I don't. Yeah, I try to pause time and then I will wait the ampule, but I have to stick with the same reservoir pressure. Every time I change the reservoir pressure, that thing will change. Yeah, I have that data in the past, but now I want to change it, right? I see. Yeah, that's a challenge right now because that's already gone. I do have number. You know, let me look back at those and then I will get some number together and then I'll call you to ask if I had trouble. Yeah, I. Yeah. 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 Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh.
đừng post lên nhá, không được post đâu ạ.
Rồi.
Ký bao nhiêu từ vốn